Dalawa ito na.
Kilala ko naman eh, pag ano.
Asay na naman.
The air ball is brought to you by Philippine Airlines. All you saw is air.
Direct
You
height.
can see the air. Another air ball. Another air
Air ball by Philippine Airlines.
Sino si JC?
JC Cabrera.
Yun, open. Nice.
No, I'm not gonna tap you until you admit to the... Hey! It wasn't my call. It wasn't your call. I'm just saying you lied to me. Foul discard? Number 14 go. Discard foul.
Spread out, spread out! Baba, baba! Baba! Peso, peso!
Publico.
Romel, no?
Yeah, Romel. Romel Publico.
We can call though.
Yes. Definitely. That's a very...
That was that mighty. Look, my whistle's getting hot real quick.
We don't want any fight. We don't want any fight.
Ingat, dulu. Balik. Ingat.
Fernandez.
Come on, Eugene.
Shoot!
Bang, bang.
Marlon Fronda, 3 points.
Marlon yun.
Fronda. We're gonna come here 10 seconds. You know, we can be patient. Wala nang shot clock.
Sino yung foul ko?
Eugene. Two team fouls parehas.
This free throw is brought to you by Jack E. Cheese. Cruz, 3 points. Ron the Wolf Cruz, 3 points.
Hindi, pito lang tayo ngayon eh.
Go, Marlon. And one.
We can do the sub. 18 minutes sub.
18 minutes na, yes, it is. Stop na.
Substitution.
Paano pag shooter?
I'm not done.
After, sabihin mo sa ref, after the free throw.
Ref! Ref!
After the free throw, you can sub. Sabi sa inyo, mag-practice kayo sa Chuck E. Cheese ng free throw.
Go, Diego.
Traveling without passport.
Keep moving the ball, hindi yung pagkapasa ng
Traveling without passport.
Two, three, yeah, four.
You know.
Over the back, foul. Harry. Foul by Harry. Sa English, Harry. Sa Kapampangan, Harry.
Hindi niya nakikita yung mga plays.
Guys, we only have 2 referees.
Yeah, boy beats. Let's go, boy beats.
The bank is open on a Sunday evening. Guys, we only have 2 referees.
Boy Beats!
Nice, Inday!
Ang order ka!
Foul on Sherwin.
Ang number nun?
This is in line.
16. Mata?
2 free throws for Harry. Sa English, Harry. Sa Kapampangan, Harry. Foul number 15.
Play that! Get up!
Ilan yung team fouls? Tiga, apat?
Apat na, hindi. Apat lang yung sa blue.
O parehong apat?
Oh. Hindi, taglo na kasi doon.
White's in over the back.
Foul on Harry.
Hari.
Bilangin mo nga yung mga personal foul. Hindi, yung mga personal foul.
Montana, Mata.
Dalawa na si Harry.
Dalawa si Hari. Si Hari?
Dalawa na, oh.
Pumigil naman sila. Oh.
Okay, one minute. Sure.
May nawawala yung blue. Si Ron. Oo nga, wala si Ron. Naglaro kagabi, naglaro kagabi si Ron.
Okay, ikot lang, ikot.
What a move! Strong move. Strong move by JC Cabrera. AKA Sanotas.
Nice!
Wendell.
One down.
Lay down. Lay down.
Tignan mo na. Dito ni Wendell.
Number 37.
Anong apelyido?
Wendell Ramos. Ano tayo eh? Wendell, number 37.
Tiglima na. Man!
Cabrera 3 points.
12.
Keep playing!
Pass the ball! Man!
3 points.
Front them every time.
Hey bro. Good game, bro.
Move the ball! Nice!
Nag-stop na ba niya? 14-18, pare.
14-18. Uy!
Kick.
Wala pang time. yan, 6 foul na.
How many fouls, Jericho?
16 pounds.
Jericho,
Just one?
Theodoro yata. Theodoro.
62.
First personal foul.
6 pounds na sila, 15 pounds.
She is butt up. Keep on. I'm gonna do it nicely too. I'm just gonna be like, beep. Ball on line.
15.
Look, I grew up playing ball, so I'm still talking
You're talking trash to yourself.
all the time.
Uy!
Go. Push it.
I told you the bank is open on a Sunday evening. Good pass. Whoa! I told you the bank is open. That was a 2-point shot anyway.
Cut. Middle's open. Drive.
Cruz 3 points from the wall. Cruz. Sub. Mandatory substitution.
Sarap yun. Tama. Ay,
Sila. Tulang yun.
tulak ko kay Eugene, last shot niya.
Tulang yun to.
After 18 minutes of play, the score is 17-23.
Wala pa rin time out, ha?
Both teams have time out. Wow! Another time shot! Come on, guys. Good defense by Daniel. Good defense.
Out of bounds. Big ball. Kay Saka. 9. One down.
Air ball.
Blue ball.
Not only we have seen a lot of bad shots tonight, air balls too. The air balls are brought to you by Philippine Airlines. Blue 9, foul on Ron Cruz, number 9. Penalty. Penalty. That's the 17th foul.
7.
That's the 17th foul.
Thank you.
You're welcome. 1-1. Cruz 3 points.
Pangatlo niya yun, ano? Pangdalawa.
1, 2, 3. Come on, John. Racing. Pasa yan. Bang, bang. Boom. Ayan. And 1.
Good defensive rebound.
Who's foul, rep?
Hey, Christian, listen man.
Foul number 9, Marlon Fronda.
Oh, just stay with him. Hey, Dan.
Retro.
That's yung tao mo. Sir man. Stay with him.
2 shots
No,
left.
ano, nalilito kayo. Saan? Who's your man? Sino man mo?
Rep, we have 2 number 9s. Which number 9 gave up the foul? Kay Ron Cruz. Kay Ron Cruz.
Yeah, nakuha ko naman.
That side na si Marlon.
Ano,
Wala tayo, hindi ka nag-usap sa loob eh. Tira! Tira!
Mahilig sila sa number 9, pati si Daniel, number 9. Eh?
White ball, white ball.
Tira!
Good pass, Paul.
Ano? Wala pa nang tatime out, kuya.
Tama sila. Bawi ka na tayo.
Bigyan nyo lang sa amin next time. 27. Basket.
Good drive by Wendell.
Huwag mo na nakalawin, kuya.
Wendell.
Kay Rugin. Rugin, number 15.
Another strong rebound. Foul on Ron Cruz.
Time out ba?
Time out!
Sino yung Ron Cruz? Ano na siya?
Time out, ref. Gray. Time out.
Yung Cruz, yung 9, no? Oo. Dalawa na yun. Ito ano?
Ito yung foul, pero ito yung isang number 9. Marlon! 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 Bantayan mo si Ron, ha? Nagkakainitan daw. Si Ron, tsaka si Jason. Yan ang usapan natin. Kontrolin niyo yung mga mainit. Mga team captains.
With 1 and 24 seconds left, Blue is up by 5 points. This is an interesting game. We're watching a very good, close game.
Kuya, 29 na sa akin. Yung 3-point dito.
Ikaw ang official.
Kiss! Kiss! Kiss!
Look, I don't want nobody waiting on me outside. Choke me out.
Ah, dami na po. Like 5 free throw already. Come on, JC.
39.
They're on a bonus now.
No, that's
The
not.
10th,
3-1-6, right back?
yes, bonus. Christian gets to shoot 2 free throws.
Pinuno nila yung team ball, ah. 18.
First shot.
Nakalagay ko 2 eh.
24. 24. 25. Marlon, you got number 9, Daniel.
Foul on Daniel. Next foul would be penalty, not penalty. Traveling without passport.
Malilimutan. Mag-free throw kayo siya, buong ano, hanggang second half.
Sapa!
Ako kuya, pwede ba yung take time hanggang second half? Mag-free throw siya. Hindi ko lang kalaban dyan. Diretso practice ka na.
Doka!
Ano ako dyan?
Mali siya.
I told you guys. Hey, tonight we would like to acknowledge the presence of two players from Holy Rosary. They already signed up for next season. Don and Bernard.
Kuya Bernard John? Hindi ko namukhaan. Paano ka makakilala kami? Yan, Nes. Kuya Bernard pala yun. Pinapapasok ko, sabi niya, pasok ka. Sino yun?
Kamang.
Blue. Sino kumasan? Ay, nanena. Ito na.
Pupunta pa kayo tayo kinana? Oo. Na kahit sandali lang, may pasok ako bukas eh.
Hindi ko na cellphone ko. Ano ko ni Bay? Kasi dagdag injury na naman eh.
Ilambutan mo lang nga si Eugene, hindi ako tigilan ng tulak, walang yan, hindi mo
Kaya nga gulpi na abot sa akin. Banas na sa akin kanina eh.
Kasi ano, Kuya Armand, hindi na inaano.
Ay, namamagano.
Ayun na, no? Paano legal pick yun? Sinusundan ko lang siya.
Bago kuya, namamagana.
Oh, malakas manulak sila eh. Ganun talaga.
Mamaya, yellow.
Malakas katawan ni Epi.
Part of
Alam mo
naman
yung black ko sa kanya,
Part
tulad
of
black
the
pero
part-
binuwat niya ako.
Part of the game yan, ang laki.
Ang laki niya, no? Tapos nakita ko sa bumato ng bola, para football lang.
Tingnan mo kuya, second attempt shot. Yun. Bang.
Nothing but net by Eugene Santiago. Paul.
First foul.
Jin, tingin muna dun sa nasa ilalim ng...
Tsaka isa na lang tayo mag-inuman, Eugene.
Second goal.
28. Napako na sila, napako na yung blue.
Push. Follow Christian Fernandez. 18. We got it.
Oh, I still got to do my job now. 18, blue.
Yep. Blue? Wait. What's green?
You mean white?
Yeah.
It's okay, blue.
We understood what you meant.
It's okay if it's blue.
Easy basket.
Eugene again. Bang. Nice.
Another two by Mr. Putin.
33.
Wendell, baba.
Travel.
Maraming nagka-travel niyan.
That's the 20th travel call for tonight. It just shows how Filipinos love to travel. Filipinos love to travel abroad and in the basketball court.
Nice.
Christian Fernandez.
Last time may score to eh. 21 eh. Ni Chuck eh. Ngayon wala kang may score.
Kailang.
JC.
Cabrera, 3 points.
31. May naroon Jerry ah.
Deda,
33 tie game.
whoa,
58.
from the parking lot.
Oh, Eugene.
Three points by Brother Discard.
36.
Albert,
36. Time out. Time out who?
timeout Drew. That's the first and last timeout for your team tonight. With 19 minutes left, it's now White team leading by 3.
No more timeout. Only one. Yeah. For them, they have one. Okay. We only get one each.
One and done.
Sorry, nakatulog.
Strong move. Strong move by Mr. Chodoro. Five, 6 minutes up.
Walang foul yun si Gray.
Out of bounds. Another air ball.
B-boy.
Foul on
B-boy. 16.
16. Boy beats first personal foul.
Katapos sila, katapos sila.
36.
Okay. You want your man?
Foul on.
Foul on Broncos.
Anong number nyo?
9. Dalawang number 9.
How many foul on Cruz already?
Who's that?
Rojin, 3 points.
Eugene? Roger. Oh, yeah. Two, 37. One time.
Foul on number 16.
316, right?
15. There's no 16.
Oh, 15.
Inside, look. Show me inside.
Number 10.
Foul on Harry, number 10.
3 foul.
Third personal foul.
Third. 14 foul.
Shooting foul. Shooting.
Third personal foul. Shooter foul.
37.
Thirty-eight, 39.
Challenge lang, challenge!
Odin.
Oh! Rojin! Karaoke, 3 points.
We stopped the middle, but the three we're giving them.
And 1. Yeah. 40-42. Dome. 45. Okay, take your time. Take your time. Take your time.
Strong rebound by Mr. Harry. No foul. No basket. No basket. Foul on 62.
62. Who's that?
Foul on
39.
69.
69. Everybody's favorite.
Fifth foul. White.
69.
Hey. I got 2. I'll tell you.
Well, lima na yun. Joe.
Hindi.
Team.
Did he make it? Yeah. He made it. Basket good.
may go.
42-45.
6 minutes, sub. Guys, remember, only maximum 18 minutes.
Kayo ng isa.
Nakatakot ko na. Ari. Ichak mo? Wala ko si Ari. Defensive. 88? 88 foul, yeah. Blue.
Who is having? Sub.
Hindi ako nakapag kanina eh. Dahil magkukanda ka.
Hindi.
Publiko.
55 yata.
Hey, Red.
Who's the foul?
Post. 58, Ruben.
58 ba yun? Kala ko 58.
2 points. 6-point lead. Five ball.
Anong tawag niya doon?
Wala na small.
Out of bounds. Tabang.
Bam. 3 points.
3 points. Brother Giscard.
53. Is that a break?
Ron Cruz.
58.
Number 9. Ilang palo si Ron?
Ay, Ron Cruz.
Ron Cruz.
4 na.
4 personal foul. 4 personal foul. Illegal screen.
Kabaligtad ng laro ah.
Sino isa?
Tulong!
Wala pa. Wala pa. Foul number 14. No.
Only
Only 6.
Not yet. Next one would be penalty.
Both teams.
Both teams warning for penalty.
Uy!
What a pass.
Power up! Power up mo! Kunting power up na.
No basket.
Pwede na sub, pwede na sub. Automatic sub na,
No
6 minutes.
basket.
6 minutes. Pwede na?
Rep, sub. 6 minutes sub. You can do
Ano ba?
whatever you want. 6 minutes. Hold on. However, you can only have 5 players in the court. When we say you can do anything you want, only 5 players.
Parang mali.
Nag-iinip ka. Ano, Mel? Tukod?
Uy, sa kanila yung ano, half ah.
Nag-jump ball na uli, Mon. Nag-jump ball na uli.
Penalty.
Penalty!
Penalty.
Penalty!
Foul si Jericho.
3-1, ano daw ah? 3-1-6 daw.
3-1. Wala ko 6.
May napalakpak sa ilalim ng ulit. Go. Laki ng katawan ni Brother Marlon, nangangatawan.
Uy, sabla, kailan mo? 10 seconds na. 3 points?
Cabrera, 3 points.
60. Monta. Nice. And 1. Basket.
And White number 10, foul.
JC no?
He's got 4 foul. Anybody? Nobody. Right?
So, Ron.
Both teams are on penalty anyway.
Oh, defense lang, defense! No easy threes, bro!
With 4 minutes left, Dwayne King is leading by 11. Foul number 62, penalty.
Penalty.
Ron, 5th foul.
Anong ano ni Rondo? Wala. Number?
62.
62 yun. So si Cruz, ano na, 4 na. Cruz, 4.
Wala pala si
Zero na.
isang Ron sa kanila. Yung malakas tumalon, yung si Ron Estrada. Ay, wala.
Backcourt.
Backcourt violation.
Lumapit eh. Tulungan mo.
Pinakasan ni Bayaw. Nagalit si Bayaw.
When you attack that. Call for the ball. Go all the way 1-on-1. Call for the ball. Go, look! stop.
Number,
Sino pa?
whose foul is that? 360.
Stop.
Stop it! Stop!
Server. Go in for serve. Three.
Roda, 3 points.
Lee up. Corner.
10 seconds shot clock.
Corner.
9, 8, 7, 6.
Go. Push it. Ron's open.
Tao nyo.
We're not stopping the shot clock. The lead is more than 10.
Tao.
Step back. You wanna call it, yeah?
I'll meet you there. We'll meet you there.